Hi, I'm Roger, the Bonavita brand manager and resident coffee expert. We know that brewing coffee can seem complicated, and while the details are important, we've engineered our brewer so that making a great cup is easy. Today, we're going to run you through the steps to make a great cup of coffee. Here's a list of things you'll want to have on hand. Freshly roasted coffee, fresh cold filtered water, a number 4 Melita filter, tablespoon, scoop, or scale. For repeatable results, it's important to keep the ratio of water to coffee consistent. Today, we're going to be brewing 6 cups, so we'll need 34 ounces or 1 liter of water. It's important that you have fresh cold water from the tap, and also if you know that your water is hard in your area, that you soften it before running it through the brewer. Hard water can affect the taste of the coffee, as well as affect the longevity of the brewer. I'll go ahead and fold over the seams of the filter so that it fits properly within the cone. Along with using freshly roasted coffee, we recommend grinding coffee shortly before brewing. If someone's going to go ahead and grind for you, ask for a drip grind. For today's 6-cup batch, we're going to use roughly 12 tablespoons or 60 grams of coffee. It kind of equates to roughly 2 tablespoons per cup. Go ahead and give the filter cone a little tap to settle the coffee. Put it back on the carafe. Put the carafe back in the brewer and hit your power button. The brew should take less than 6 minutes. Now the brew is done. We'll go ahead and turn the power off and then remove the carafe and cone as one while dispensing at the grounds. With the lid on, the carafe keeps the coffee hot for hours, but we recommend drinking it within the first 30 minutes. You can always brew more. Enjoy! Thanks for joining us on this run-through of the Bonavita 8-Cup Brewer, and be sure to check back for future installments.